I know. Check out these dog puppy jammies. Like, he doesn't normally wear clothes, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to get him into these, but I think we're going to try. We're going to see. Okay, everybody, I'm so excited. We have a new video. We actually got a bark box for Major. Anyway, so the kids are gonna open it up. It's our first time doing it. We actually got two different boxes. We got a bark box and we got a super chewy box right there. So Avery is gonna I'm gonna hand this to Avery. She and the kids are gonna go ahead and open them up. So let's see what we got. Major, it's right there, buddy. Right there. Right there.
Wait, watch out, Major. Major,
sit, Major.
Sit, Major.
All right, let's see what we got.
Okay.
What is it? Oh, so what's called? It's called the what?
Bark box slobber.
The slobber party.
Wait, so cute.
What do we got there?
Well, it says it all in here. This is Major.
Pajamas. A sloth. All right, what else we got? Oh, it's like a...
A slipper!
He is gonna flip out. Oh, there he comes. He's like, oh, where's that? Where's that coming from? Oh no!
Not that one, Major. Oh my god, he's crazy for the sloth.
All right, give me the sloth. Give me the sloth. Give me the sloth and wait. Okay. All right. All right, we're gonna wait. All right. What else do we got? What is that? Hold on. We got, what is that? Look, hold on. Hold on. It's like a, ooh, it's like a slipper dog toy. Look at that. Okay. What else we got? We got some treats.
Treats, yeah.
More treats. Ooh, what flavor is that? Clucky?
Chicken recipe.
Ooh, chicken recipe.
With veggies.
Oh, and look, and then you got this. What is this? It's like it's a telephone. He's going absolutely crazy. Major, calling for Major. And then hold on, and then what's on the other side? Is your refrigerator running? Oh, better fetch it. Go, Major, go! Uh-oh, watch out, here he comes.
Does it crinkle it up?
Uh-oh! Put out another one! Dang, he jumps high. Go get it, Major! Go get it! I think it's safe to say that Major loves his bark box toys. Now let's do the other one. We got a Super Chew. So this is a separate box that you can order. We did both of them. We did the one with the toys, and then we have this little one. And I think these are just treats and stuff. But there's something else wrapped in there. What's in that? Tiffany's looking bag.
I know, right? It just says bark on it. Okay, let's see. In a second, hold on, bro.
Come on this way.
I think it's like dog food. Oh, it's a
Oh, what is it?
Bark and Bathe bathrobe. It's a
bathrobe?
It's a dog bathrobe. And a dog.
Oh, a squeaky duck.
I don't think it squeaks. It doesn't squeak.
It doesn't?
No.
Is this really hard? Oh, it's a really hard chew toy. Oh, yeah, it's a really hard chew toy. But look at that. You got a bathrobe.
And it's squeaky.
So I'm kind of sensing a little, kind of a pattern. So you had the, what was it called? The slobber party.
Slumber party thing.
Slumber party deal. Oh, and it shows you everything that it comes with.
Yeah, so you get like some of these things, I think.
Oh, yeah, depending on how many toys you get, yeah.
That one.
Okay.
We got that one.
No. Okay, so let's open this one then.
Stop it! Look, there's literally a truth or dare thing on the back. That's
Truth or dare for the dog?
Play spin the bottle with your dog and make a video of the results is the dare. Truth or dare, Daddy?
I'll go truth.
Okay, tell us about the dog you have a crush on.
He's a husky. Don't tell Major.
Ooh. Okay, truth or dare, one more.
Truth.
Oh, you're so boring. Have you ever picked up your dog's poop with something besides a bag?
No. Maybe a cardboard box or something? I don't know. I don't think so. Technically, to be fair, Papa walks the dog. I don't.
On the dares, there's a double dog dare underneath it.
Whoa, double dog dare. All right, let's see what's in the chew box. All right, so this is the bark box.
What?
We got a chew box.
Can I see?
Ooh, hold on, what does this say?
Nana.
Sit, stay. Ooh, a spa day.
Oh, maybe this goes with the bathrobe.
Oh, I bet you it does. Okay. Ooh, look at that. What is this?
Oh, it's that is this thing. So
What's that?
That is.
What is that, Nana?
Oh, it's not.
Oh, it's a hard toy.
But
That's right. We did see this on Super Cooper Sunday. So if you actually go to Super Cooper Sunday, the YouTube video, there's a special code down below. You punch that in, you get an extra dog toy for your whole subscription. So just FYI, a little plug for Super Cooper Sunday.
What's that? It's a little succulent. It looks like a little plant. It's not a real plant, but it looks like one.
Oh, what is this though?
I'm trying to see.
I think you put treats inside it, and when he rolls it, the treats come out.
Possibly.
No, the dog's supposed to get the treats inside.
Let's look at the features. The tag is a special thing for features. See-through rubber treat dispensing. Yeah. So it also bounces, or so it says. Treats and fetch. So you can like throw it and fetch it to them, I guess. Does it bounce? Oh, it does bounce a little bit. But they like play with it and the treats like fall out.
All right. What else? And then oh, I bet you these are the treats that you put in there. Oh, these are jerky links.
Oh, so maybe not.
Maybe not.
Yeah.
Jerky bars.
I don't know. We'll have to check that out.
And then Major got some chicken stick recipes. Okay. There we go.
Oh! No, wait, you forgot something.
Oh, I forgot the Super Chewer. Welcome to Super Chewer. All right, that's gonna do it. I'm gonna give you some B-roll of Major running around and eating all his toys and having a great time with his with his bark box. Thanks for watching a real quick video. It's not anything that we normally put out, but hey, needed an idea and a reason to do a little vlog at home. So, Major, what do you think about your bark box? You want to play some more? I think he's probably tired. Oh, I think he's tired. All right, Nana, what do we say?
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Thumbs up.
right, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. You know all the good stuff. Have a magical day. Bye-bye.